This is one way to wash the seat belt. If you have this kind of tan interior and whitish belt, it gets little greasy over time. Of course the black is just as greasy, but you don't see it. And last time I washed this just with a bucket and microfiber and wool washing, because wool washing is sort of low temperature and sort of efficient. But now I'm using this ultrasound cleaner, because it's hard to agitate those wipers with brush or something. So I was planning that I'm just gonna use this one, and it would bring out the dirt from the belt. Looks like it's bringing it out pretty nicely. We'll see how it goes. Ei yhtään huonompi lopputulos tässä vyössä. Varsin positiivinen yllätys.